Yo, 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 today we are going to be finding work. So you guys are going to have the privilege of watching our day-to-day routine. Actually, let me make that a little more clear. Today you guys are going to witness me and Lefty's day-to-day routine as yard care workers. Is this guy turning? So I'm driving right now to pick him up. I already called him twice and he didn't answer. So I'm just gonna have to park and then wait for him, and then if worst comes to worst, I'm gonna have to knock on his door. But right now, Guantabo Boulevard. Just want to give a special everybody here in Albuquerque that has booked us for a 4-hour yard care services. Special shout out to all of you guys. Thank you guys. You guys, half of them probably don't even watch the videos, but still, I want to give a shout out to all of them. And just so everybody knows that's watching and you're from Albuquerque, we do yard care service. Myself and Lefty, we do grass mowing, we do tree trimming, shrub trimming, we do tree removal, we can trim the big ass trees, we do gutter cleaning, we do debris removal, we repair fences, we repair gates, we even have a outside source for welding, and we still throw that into the business other services category. We do welding. So if you guys are interested in any yard care work, or you have some debris in your home or in your yard that you want to be removed, just give us a call at 480-307-0015, and please remember to keep this business purposes only. Don't just call me out of the blue. Make sure that it has a purpose, like you need some work. Alright, homeboy still hasn't answered his phone, so more than likely I'm gonna have to go up in there and wake his ass up. Oh crap. My Jaguar car. This the Jaguar. Well, I just ended up cutting Lefty's hair, so that's why we're still here. And Ribbeye's punk ass is still right here. Ribby? Ribeye! Say hi. Okay, thank you. Right now we are at Eagle Rock dumpster place. Lefty is driving. We are watching him reverse. Look at us. Concentration. Alright, we just barely got done lifting out the flatbed. Oh, always make sure to grab all your trash from the inside of your truck and empty it. It gets really dirty in here sometimes. Well, have a roofing job, but we're too afraid to start because there's clouds all around us. It's coming in. See, the whole big ass cloud connects all the way this way. All the way this way, that big ass cloud goes all the way back there. We're literally right in the middle of where the fucking sun is still. See the sun? Everywhere else is cloudy. So it's like, it's just right above us. So what you think we gonna do?
I think
What the hook gonna be? What should we do?
my lips look all red.
We have this fool with his head sticking out the window.
Hopeless.
Hopeless. Ribby? Ribby. Ribby. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Come here, Rib boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Ribeye, come here. Come on, man. Stop fucking with me, Ribeye. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Ribeye. Come on. Ribeye. Ribeye. Come here. Come here, boy. Ribeye. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, there he goes. Look at his nuts. If your kids are watching, have them turn away. This sick bastard. Oh no. Everybody saw your nasty ass. You licked the tip straight up. Jared usually does that for him when he cleans ribeye, but ribeye said, I can do it myself.
Yep. I keep putting my eyes like down this way.
Alright, so we believe that the weather or the clouds are moving that way. So there ain't nothing on this side. This person's shed house got a hole on top of it, so we need to replace it before the weather gets bad again, because we don't want him to have a horrible all his things get wet and get moldy. So we gotta make this, we gotta fix this for him.
Damn. 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 Watch your back. Damn.
Damn. Hold up, not done.
Damn.
Lightweight shit, dog.
Oh wait, you ain't done. You ain't done.
Oh shit. Damn. 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 This is how I felt like every time I used to play wrestling. That world champion title on my shoulder. Oh, look. All right. Damn. I feel like that weather is getting closer. Those clouds are getting closer. They're not getting further. Look at that. Look at that black cloud. That's what we're trying to avoid right now. And that's what we're trying to beat, because I want to get this done before this guy's roof gets real bad. I'm not sure if we'll be able to make it because the wind is starting to pick up. I think we can make it. What do you think about the weather? Come on, reassure me.
What clouds?
Yeah, what clouds? Look at that. Bad. Bad. Exposed wood. Bad. Bad. Right here?
Yeah. It's nailed in on both sides with different nails.
Alright. We removed all the useless parts. I didn't do that side. But we removed all the useless parts. And then we were going to start putting the shingles on there, but we realized we got the wrong color fucking shingles. The storm is coming closer. Lefty looks tiny. So we're just going to put the tarp on top of this whole thing. And then we're going to go to the store and grab the right color. Yeah. Got Lefty working hard over here. Damn. We're supposed to reuse those. Cut it straight. Alright. We're almost finished with the little tiny roof project right here. I'll tell you what. I think we did a damn good job, considering that we are not actual roofers. We're roofers today though. Ribeye punk ass. Ribeye. So it turns out that storm is just gone and past. Went that way. Over there at Foothills, up closer to Sandia, they got hit pretty hard. Over here in Rio Rancho, close to Bernalillo, they didn't get hit none. Still up here. And I knew we were gonna get it done quick. Check this out. Got it? That's valid. Got the bottom, we got it done. Oh man, don't judge us, dog. Don't judge us, big dog. We did what we could, big dog. I can hear little Resi commenting on this video. Hey, you guys should have done it like this. You guys should have felt to the belt, should have welch. We did it before the storm came. You could see the huge difference. Yay, yay. Prime rib. This is medium rare. This one's medium well.